Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Here we did a model of the smooth particle hydrodynamic explosion over a composite beam or column. Here we have steel as a cover. Inside that we have the concrete as a core, and then we have a CFRP as an I-shape beam inside this. You can see it. If I click on this, you can see here the explosion. See, this is the explosion. And these are the particles which spreaded surrounding of the column. And this is the last frame. Now let me check first the steel cover. This is the steel cover, and let me check the damage for it. See, this is the Johnson-Cook damage here, the deformation, and we can check plastic strain or anything else for that here. For instance, this is the stress. Now let me check the concrete. See the concrete. It is filled completely, the concrete, as a brittle material with Holmquist-Johnson model here. You can see that, and we can check the damage variable for it. See the damage. If I click on animate, you can see the damage variable for that. Sorry. And here we have element failure in the concrete or other damages like ductile damage, like plastic strain, pressure, anything. You can check anything. And now let me check the CFRP as an I-shape beam with some layer. You can see this is the stress. We have the compression damage for the fiber, tension damage for the fiber again, compressive damage for the matrix, and tension damage for the matrix. And these are the results for this, and you can see the other criterions also. So here in this view we can check the displacement to see the explosion. See, and this is the final frame. And now let me remove the TNT again. Here in this view we can check ductile damage. See, here, and you can get anything from this model, like reaction force, like anything else. This is the reaction force, energy, anything. And we use 3D model for all parts, and JWL, equation of state for TNT, Johnson-Cook for the plasticity, and damage model for steel, Johnson-Helmquist for the concrete, and CFRP can be modeled as a Hashim or other criterions. So if you need this model and you are interested, so you can come to our website here. The website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial or search the title in the search section of the website, then you will find it. So click on title. You will have the definition of the geometry, assembly, material, step, interaction, load, and the figures as the result. See here, the figures as the result, and then you can provide CINP English video file, reference paper for the material. Cost is 29 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials, about all aspects of the modeling and simulation in Abaqus. Also, we have some tutorial in ANSYS software in this package. So you will learn everything if you provide this package. For instance, we have explosion with all method for all the materials. It covers anything here, or impacts, welding, biomechanics, forming cracks, soil, anything else you can see here. And the cost for this package is so affordable for all users. So if you need this full package to be a master in modeling and simulation, contact me to this email. Then I will tell you about the content process of the purchasing price, everything. Thank you for your attention.